If you are working on your computer for long hours, it's important you get the right support for your wrists. When we think of wrist support, we usually think of those mouse pads that come with cushion support. But what about the keyboard? In this video, I'm going to show a must-have accessory your wrists are gonna thank you for. Let's begin. This is a wrist rest pad from Tuxer, which is a two-piece for both keyboard and mouse. Let's quickly unbox this. This is available in black and grey, which I have here. I will leave the link in the description. You can see the texture here. It has this smooth leathery finish, and the bottom is anti-slip, so it doesn't move around. The cushion quality is actually very good. It's soft but still supportive when you press it. Another good thing about having two separate pieces is you can place the mouse at any angle you want, unlike those single-piece ones where you're forced to keep everything in one straight line. The length of this pad is perfect even for a full-size keyboard. You can see it fits properly without any issue. If you are using Apple Magic Trackpad, mousepad works perfectly with the trackpad as well. I have been using the Apple Magic Trackpad with Mac Mini M4. Stay tuned for the review. I will explain why I chose this over the Magic Mouse. Honestly, wrist rest pad is one of those small accessories that makes surprisingly big difference once you start using it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.